In today's video is about assigning users to groups based on their creation date. Let's dive right in. Log in to Okta Admin Console and head over to Directory and then select Profile Editor. Click on Okta User, Default, which you'll find as the first item in the list. Go ahead and click on Add Attribute. Here, you'll select the data type as Boolean. In the display name field type created later than 2021, in the variable name field type created later, don't forget to hit Save. Next, move to Profile Editor. Here, click on Directories and then select your Active Directory. Next, click on Mappings. Under the section Active Directory to Okta, scroll down to the newly created attribute. In the description below, you find the Okta expression language used in the video. Paste it here. This should link the new attribute to the AD attribute, which brings over the account creation date from AD to Okta. It's time to preview. Check a few users to make sure the expression works as it should. Once that's done, go ahead and click Save Mappings, and then apply updates now. Now, navigate to Directory and then Groups. Click on the Rules tab and then on Add Rule. You'll need to name your rule, so go ahead and type in a name. For the If condition, choose Use Okta Expression Language, Advanced, and use this regex. User.created later == true. In the Then Assign To section, type in the group where users meeting the rule condition should go. Do a quick preview on a user to ensure the rule works correctly. Almost there. Click Save. Remember, new rules are inactive by default, so you need to activate your rule. Just click on Action next to the group in question and then Activate. Next, check the group to see if the users go assigned to it. And that's it. You've now set up a group rule that assigns users to a group based on their creation date. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.